What is engineered wood? When you walk into a modern home or office today, that wardrobe, modular kitchen, or sleek desk you see, chances are it's not solid wood. It's something smarter, more consistent, more efficient. It's engineered wood. So, what exactly is engineered wood? Simply put, it's wood that has been taken apart and rebuilt with purpose. Natural wood is broken down into veneers, fibers, strands, or particles, and then reassembled using heat, pressure, and adhesives to create stronger, more reliable materials. But why was it created? Because solid wood has limitations. It's inconsistent, it warps with moisture, and large, high-quality timber is becoming scarce and expensive. Engineered wood solves these problems by using fast-growing trees or even wood waste to produce uniform, stable, and cost-effective panels. In modern manufacturing, consistency is everything. Engineered wood delivers exactly that: same thickness, same density, same performance every single time. This makes it ideal for large-scale furniture production and today's growing demand for modular interiors. There are several types of engineered wood, each designed for a purpose: plywood, MDF, HDF, particle board, block board. Each type is engineered for specific applications. And there's more. Engineered wood is also a response to sustainability. It uses fewer natural resources, reduces waste, and supports responsible forestry practices. So, engineered wood is not a compromise. It's an evolution, a smarter material built for modern needs, combining the beauty of wood with the precision of engineering. Engineered wood powers today's furniture industry, and the machines behind it ensure precision, consistency, and quality. To know more, please read the blog mentioned in the description.